Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss circles topic part 2, very short answer questions. Okay. In that, the question number 13 is find the power of the point P 2, 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0. So here first we need to know the concept for this, right? So in general, solution P x1 comma y1 be any point, I am writing definition, be any point with respect to the circle, circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Then first condition number 1, S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. If this value is greater than 0, then point lies outside the circle, and having positive power, okay. And condition number 2, if S11 is less than 0, P lies, direct I am writing, P lies inside the circle, and negative power, and condition number 3 is S11 is equal to 0, P lies on the circle, In this condition, there will be no power. Okay. So here coming to the question, I am taking question answer. Let S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23. Okay. Here and point is given by 2, 3. Now substitute here point, I am getting S11. So x value as 2 square, and y value as 3 square, minus 2 into 2, x value 2, plus 8 into 3, minus 23. So this is equals to 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 4, 8 3s are 24, minus 23. So here 4 will get cancelled out. 24 minus 23, 1 plus 9 is 10. So here 10 is greater than 0. We can say P lies outside the circle, and positive power. In the question he is asking only this bit only, find the power of the point. So our answer is positive power. Okay. Right. Now go for the next question. Right. The question is here like this. Find the length of the tangent from point 1, 3 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equals to 0. So for this condition, again I need to find S11 only, right? So here I am taking, let S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11. So here the point is given as P 1, 3. Now here I am taking S11, x value as in 1, 1 square plus y value 3, 3 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 11. Right, 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 11. Right, this is equals to here length of tangent is equal to root S11, that is equals to root 9, that is equals to 3. This is answer. So here length of tangent formula is here, we need to remember root S11. Okay, now go for the next question. Right, here the question is find the length of the tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is given by root 37, then find k. So here in this question is given by root S11 is equal to root 37. Root S11 is equal to root 37. Squaring on both sides, we are getting S11 is equal to 37. Right? So this is first I am taking condition number 1. So here let S is equal to given circle I am writing x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k, right, and the point is given by 2, 5. Now here I am finding S11, 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k, right, is equal to 2 square 4 plus 5 square 25 minus 10 and 4 5s are 20 plus k, right. So minus 10 plus 20, that is plus 10 plus 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 25, that is 39. Okay, so from here S11 is equal to and 39 plus k. S11 is equal to 37 by condition number 1 and S11 is equal to 39 plus k, equal both 37 is equal to 39 plus k implies k is equal to 37 minus 39 is equal to minus 2. This is the answer for this question. Okay, na? Right. Now go for next question. Right. So here the condition is state necessary and sufficient condition for line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 to be a normal to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is the question. This is the most important one. Right. Now for this condition, solution is the straight line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is normal to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 if and only if the center minus g comma minus f, center minus g comma minus f of the circle lies on the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. That is the condition. Center of the circle lies on the line. So that is if and only if instead of x write minus g, instead of y write minus f. So here if and only if L into minus g plus M into minus f, L into minus g plus M into minus f plus n is equal to 0. So again I am writing if and only if minus gl minus mf minus gl minus mf plus n is equal to 0. Again if and only if Lg plus mf is equal to n. This is the condition for this answer. Okay, right. Now go for the next question. Right. Next question number 17. So here find the polar of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle. With respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. So here solution. So here let the circle is, I am taking S is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25. Okay. Now, so the point we are taking it as P 1 comma minus 2. So equation of polar is S1 is equal to 0, implies xx1 plus yy1 g. In the sense here in this value we need to take half. Minus 10 is there, I am taking a half. 5 times of x plus x1, next 10 is there, half, minus 5 times of y plus y1 plus 25 is equals to 0. So here x1 value is 1, y1 value is in minus 2. So implies x into 1 plus y into minus 2 minus 5 times of x plus 1 minus 5 times of y minus 2 plus 25 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 2y minus 5 minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y plus 10 plus 25 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 5x, that is nothing but minus 4x, minus 2y minus 5y, that is minus 7y, minus 5 25 plus 10 35, 35 minus 5, that is plus 30. So implies taking minus plus 30 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Implies taking common minus 4x plus 7y minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the answer. So here equation of the polar formula we need to remember here. What is that formula? S1 is equal to 0. This is the formula we need to remember. Okay, right. Now go for the next question. Right. So here find the next question is find the pole of ax plus by plus c is equal 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here first we need one formula for pole. Formula here Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 be the line, and circle s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, here unit equivalence, is equal to 0, right? Then pole formula is minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n, comma minus f plus mr square by lg plus mf minus n. Okay, so now here by comparison we are getting L is equal to A, M is equal to B, N is equal to C, and center of the given circle is 0, 0, that is nothing but minus G is equal to 0, minus F is equal to 0, and radius R is equal to R is there. Okay, so substitute here. So the formula is G value 0, 0 plus L value A, R value R only, AR square by G value 0, A into 0, 0, again 0, and N value is C. So minus C, comma same thing here, 0 plus BR square by minus C. So the value of the question is minus AR square by C, comma minus BR square by C. Minus AR square by C, comma minus BR square by C. That is the formula for this question. Okay, now go for the next question. This is the answer. Now go for the next question. Same here, find the pole of the line. So here direct I am writing here, this value is L, this value is M, this value is N, and here 2G is equal to minus 6, G is equal to minus 3, and 2F is equal to minus 8, F is equal to minus 4. F is equal to minus 4, and C is equals to 5. So now center C is equal to minus G comma minus F, minus G comma minus F is equal to 3 comma 4, and R is equal to G square plus F square minus C. G square plus F square minus C with root. So this is equals to G square is 9, F square is 16, C value minus 5. Minus is there, minus 5. 9 plus 16, 25. 25 minus 5, that is 20. Root to 20, right? Here the formula for that pole is equal to minus G plus LR square by LG plus MF minus N, comma minus F plus MR square by LG plus MF minus N, right? You substitute here, get that value. Okay, right. Now go for the next question. number 20. Solution for this. Here points are given 4, k, 2, 3 are conjugate points with respect to the circle. So here x1, y1, x2, y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle. Is formula S12 is equal to 0. So points I am writing x1, y1 and x2, y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is S12 is equal to 0. S12 is equal to 0 implies x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. So here the points are given by x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. So here I am taking, let S is equal to given circle x square plus y square minus 17 implies S12 is equal to 0. This implies x1, x2 plus y1, y2 minus 17 is equals to 0 implies x1 value 4, y1 value 2, 4 into 2 plus x2 value 2 and y1 value k, y2 value 3 minus 17 as it is 0 implies 4 2s are 8 plus 3k minus 17 is equal to 0 implies 3k is equal to 17 minus 8, 9. So minus 9 is the left side. I am taking right side, that will become plus. So here the value of k is 3. The value of k is 3. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now go for next question. Same here, conjugate points with respect to the circle. This is also same. So here direct I am writing S is equal to circle equation x square plus y square minus 24. The formula is S12 is equal to 0 implies x1, x2 plus y1, y2 minus 24 is equal to 0. This point is x1, y1, x2, y2. So this implies 4 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 6 minus 24 is equal to 0. So implies 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12 minus 24 is equal to 0 implies 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. So hence we can say the given points are conjugate points with respect to each other. Right. Next same thing. This question is also same model. So this question you need to try it as in homework. Okay. Right. So next here find the number of common tangents that can be drawn to the circles x square plus y square is equal to 4, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 16 is equals to 0. So here two circles are there. So for this I am taking center of the first circle and center of the second circle. So first circle I am writing x square plus y square is equal to 4 and second circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. For this circle center C1 I am writing, center is C1, So here C1 so is 0 comma 0 and radius is 2. Next here second circle center this by 2 kada. So here minus 3, center is minus over minus, so that I am directly writing 3 comma 4 and radius is equals to 3 square 9, 4 square 16, C value is there in again 16, so minus 16 implies 16 cancel, root 9 that goes to 3. So now here what I am doing, I am finding the distance between two centers of the circles. So 0 comma 0, 3 comma 4, distance between these 2 points, 3 minus 0 whole square, that is 3 square, plus 4 minus 0 whole square, that is 4 square. So this is equals to 9 plus 16 root, that is equals to root 25, that is equals to 5. So by that observation we can go for R1 plus R2, that will become 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So here we can conclude C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. In this condition we can conclude that two circles touch each other, externally, two circles touch each other externally, there exist, two circles touch each other externally, there exist three common tangents. There exist three common tangents. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, now go for the next question. So here in this question he is asking chord of contact. So here equation of tangent, chord of contact, equation of polar, for all those conditions we need only one formula, that is S1 is equal to 0. What is S1? S1 is nothing but x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. That is S1. Here point we have x1 comma y1. Replace here and take that circle equation, xx1 plus y1, g in the sense exact, here we need to take half, that is minus 5 by 2 times of x plus x1. Next plus exact again half, 2 times of y plus y1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So replace x1 comma y1 as 2 comma 5. So here x into 2 plus y into 5 minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2 plus 2 into y plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here entirely I can take 2 as LCM, right? Already here 2 is there, 2 into 2 4x plus 10y minus 5x, I am multiplying 5 inside, minus 5x minus 10 plus 2 into 2 4 into y 4y 4 into 5 20 plus 20 minus 2 is equal to 0, implies 4x minus 5x, that is minus x. Next 10y plus 4y, that is 14y, and minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 plus 20, that is plus 8 is equal to 0. So implies, taking common minus, x minus 14y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is